Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, The Life Science Educator. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Mendel's laws of inheritance. Based on his experiments, Mendel proposed the laws of inheritance. They are law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. The first two laws are derived from the monohybrid cross and the third law is derived from the dihybrid cross. So the first one is law of dominance. In this law of dominance, Mendel has taken two different flowers, that is one is red colored flower and another one is white colored flower, and he has crossed the two flowers, and in the F1 generation he got the pink colored flowers, that is a hybrid ones, and in the F2 generation he has self fertilized the hybrid flowers which he got in the F1 generation. And in the F2 generation, he got one red color homozygous flower, that is capital R, and two heterozygous pink colored flowers, and one is homozygous recessive white colored flower. I hope you have understood about law of dominance. And the next one is law of segregation. In this, the Mendel has taken another two different plants, that is a tall pea plant and a short pea plant, and he has crossed them, and in the F1 generation he got the heterozygous tall pea plant. Here you can see that is capital T and small t, which is a heterozygous condition. In the F2 generation, by crossing the heterozygous tall pea plants, that is self-fertilization, he got the phenotypic ratio, that is 3 tall plants and 1 is short plant. Here you can see that the alleles capital T and small t both are, one is homozygous tall and the two are heterozygous tall, that is 3 tall plants and 1 is short plant. And in the genotypic ratio he got the 1:2:1 ratio, that is 1 is capital T and capital T, that is homozygous tall, and 2 are capital T and small t, that is heterozygous tall, and the another one is small t and small t, that is homozygous recessive short. I hope you have understood about the law of segregation. And the next one is the third law, that is law of independent assortment. In this, the Mendel has considered the two factors, that is round and yellow. He has taken the two different kinds of seeds, that is one is a round and yellow seed and the another one is a wrinkled and green seed. Here you can see the allele of round seed is capital R and the allele of yellow color is capital Y and and for the wrinkled green is small r and small y. So from this the gametes are capital R, capital Y and small r, small y. And he has got in the F1 generation all the yellow and round seeds, and the allele is hybrid individual. And in the F2 generation, the Mendel has self-fertilized the hybrid, that is yellow and round seeds, which he got in the F1 generation. So in the F2 generation, by crossing the self-fertilization F1 seeds, he got, here you can see he got the 9 round and yellow seeds and 3 are round and green seeds. You can actually count the how many round and yellow seeds he got in the F2 generation. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. He got the 9 yellow and round seeds. And he got the 3 round and green seeds. Here you can see that is 1, 2 and 3. He got the 3 round and green seeds. And he got 3 wrinkled and yellow seeds. These are the 3 wrinkled and yellow seeds, and he got 1 wrinkled and green seeds, which is a recessive condition. So in the F2 generation, that is a dihybrid cross of law of independent assortment, he got the phenotypic ratio, that is 9:3:3:1, 9 round and yellow, 3 round and green, 3 wrinkled yellow, and 1 is wrinkled green. And in the genotypic ratio he got, that is 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 4, 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1. This is the genotypic ratio of law of independent assortment. We can actually count the genotypic ratio by counting the alleles, that is how many capital R, capital R, capital Y are there, and how many capital R, capital Y, small y are there. Actually we can count the genotypic ratio by counting the genes, that is alleles of the genes, and phenotypic ratio can be counted by the appearance. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. In the next video we will discuss about sex determination in human beings. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.